In just 4 minutes, you'll learn 10 essential Spanish words. Welcome to this language journey, where we unlock the beauty of Spanish, the second most spoken language globally. Today, we'll introduce you to 10 fundamental Spanish words that will kickstart your understanding of this rich and vibrant language. From simple articles and prepositions to a key verb and a common pronoun, these are words you'll use daily in Spanish conversations. Are you ready to take your first step into the Spanish language? Stay tuned! Dive right into the first 5 words. Our first word is el, pronounced as el, similar to the English word elk without the K. El is the Spanish word for the when referencing masculine singular nouns. For example, el gato means the cat. Next up, we have de, pronounced de. This word translates to of in English. An example of its usage is in the phrase la casa de mi madre, which means my mother's house or the house of my mother. The third word is que, pronounced que. It means that in English and is used in sentences like creo que es hermoso, which translates to I think that it's beautiful. Fourth on our list is y, pronounced as the English letter E. It's the Spanish equivalent of and. An easy sentence to remember is Yo tengo un perro y un gato, which means I have a dog and a cat. Our final word for this session is a, pronounced a. It translates to tú in English. For instance, voy a la escuela translates to I go to school. There you have it. The first 5 words, el, de, que, y, a. These are the building blocks of the Spanish language, and you're already on your way to mastering them. Great job! You've learned the first 5 words. Now try to use them in your own sentences. Ready for the next set of words? Here they come. First up, let's tackle en. En translates to in English. It's pronounced much like the English letter N. Picture yourself saying, I'm in Barcelona, meaning I'm in Barcelona. Next, we have un. It's the Spanish equivalent of a or an in English. Pronounce it as un. For instance, you could say, tengo un libro, which means I have a book. Our third word is ser. This is the Spanish verb to be. It's pronounced like sire. So if you want to say I am a teacher, you'd say soy un profesor. Now let's learn si. This one is a bit tricky. It can mean oneself or himself or herself or itself, depending on the context. It's pronounced like se. An example sentence would be ella se llama Maria, translating to her name is Maria, or literally, she calls herself Maria. Finally, we have no, which is the same as the English no. It's pronounced no. You can use it like this, no gracias, which means no thank you. And there you have it. You've just learned the words en, un, ser, se, and no. Remember, practice is key. So try using these words in your daily conversations. Excellent! You've now learned 10 essential Spanish words, but don't stop here. You've done well to learn these words, but mastering a language takes practice. So challenge yourself. Use el, de, que, y, a, en, un, ser, si, no in your daily conversations. Be it a casual chat or a formal discussion, try to weave these words into your sentences. It won't be easy, but remember, every challenge is a stepping stone to success. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these words, and you'll be speaking Spanish before you know it. Until next time, adios.